Welcome to English Language Fluency.
Hi there! Welcome back to our channel, English Language Fluency. Today, let's learn about rhyming words in English. But first, you need to know what is a rhyme. A rhyme is a repetition of similar or the same ending sounds. For example, the words ball, call, and cook. Look. They rhyme because they have the same ending sounds. So now, if you want to ask me, what are rhyming words? Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar ending sounds. For example, cat and bat rhyme because they end with the same at sound. The same goes for love, dove, which ends with the same av sound, and also with sing, ring, which ends with the same ing sound. So again, when two or more words share the same sounds at the end, they are called rhyming words. If you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, please hit the subscribe button now so you won't miss our latest videos. Here are some more examples of one-syllable rhyming words. Mad, dad, bay, day, flaw, jaw, age, cage, task, cask, page, stage, bad, sad, sage, wage, case, face, lace, space, clan, fan, trace, face, place, brace, gaze, haze, name, came, same, shame, fair, hair, ask, mask, saw, paw, hat, mat, back, prack, bake, cake, take, snake, wear, dare, grin, twin, plan, scan, bell, sell, tell, well, smell, spell, guide, hide, ride, side, slide, tide, bridge, fridge, end, bend, womb, tomb, guard, hard, shore, snore, all, ball, call, fall, tall, fall. Now, some of you might ask this question: do rhyming words always have the same end of word spelling? Well, the answer is no. That's because a rhyme is about the function of sound, not about spelling. So rhyming words do not need to be spelled the same way to rhyme. They just need to sound the same. Take a look at this example. Bite, fight, read, said, rain, rain. These words do not have to be spelled the same way or look alike to rhyme. I will give you more examples of rhyming words with different spelling. And if you want to practice saying the following words correctly, then I need you to listen carefully and repeat after me. All right? Let's start. Ah, saw, blue, blue, bear, bear, plane, plane, break, shake, care, chair, made, shade, blame, aim, pair, share, wall, mall, phase, raise, stare, swear, claim, frame, night, right, send, friend, aid, blade, peer, rear, haul, small, beef, chief, pale, pale, more, pour, blue, chew, door, chore, breast, chest, do, few, bore, for, bed, dead, beer, clear, float, quote, coat, note.
Did you learn something from our English lesson today? Take this quiz now. Question 1. Which word rhymes with beer? Question 2. Which word rhymes with red? Question 3. Which word rhymes with peer?
I hope you enjoyed our English lesson today. If you have any comments or suggestions for our next lesson, please write them below this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, please hit the subscribe button now. Thanks for watching.
For more English language fluency lessons and practice tests, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell now, so you won't miss my latest videos.